Docs. I wanted to make a little video to show you how to navigate Schoology and what Schoology is. So many of you have noticed that you don't have Google Classrooms popping up anymore like you used to. You haven't seen those in your email, which hopefully you are checking your email, students, at least once a day, if not more. Sometimes you get important updates from teachers in that email. But Google Classroom is gone. So you'll notice in your waffle, it does still exist. However, we're not using that as our main learning platform anymore. It's been replaced by something called Schoology. We'll still be using all of the other apps from Google, the Docs, Sheets, Drive. That's all available for you. But Schoology is going to replace Google Classroom as our primary method of learning. This is something the district has rolled out, and they're really excited about it, and we're on board with that. So real quick, how do we get into it and what does it look like? So the one drawback is it will not show up right in your waffle, but we have an easy way for you to get in. There are other ways to get into Schoology, but I'm going to show you what I believe is the easiest and how you can make it really easy. So just go to our website, which is adm.sumterschools.net. You should be familiar with that already. And from our website, under the tab that says Students, if you just drag your cursor over it, you click the first thing that says Schoology Login, and that's going to take you right into Schoology. If you're on a home computer, it may ask you for your account, your Gmail account, but if you're on your Chromebook, it may not because you're already logged in and it's the only account. And then you'll see your name in the top right-hand corner here. And how do you make this even easier to get in the future is actually just bookmark it. So if you go up to the address bar here and hit the star here and then hit add bookmark, and you can add that right to your bookmarks bar. And then even if I exit out of this completely, when I open up Chrome, it's right here. And if I really wanted it up, I would go ahead and just put it right here somewhere on my bookmarks bar. So that time, every time I get back in, it's right there. It'll take me right into my account. Okay, so now that we're in our account, you could see upcoming assignments, which is really nice. But today I want to just focus on the real basics here, which is courses. You click the courses tab and it's kind of like that homepage from Google Classroom where you can see all your classes. Notice they've all shown up for you already. There's no adding codes. There's no the teacher having to send you an invite. You are already in if you're enrolled in the class. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at this science class. And it's going to take you to one of these screens that's either materials or updates. Now, in this one, you can see what the materials are for this class. So this teacher has created a folder called August, and there's a little check under it, and it's gray, and it says must complete. That tells me there's something in here I need to do. So I go in there, and I can see there's different weeks laid out, and also another check saying this is something I must do. So I'm going to click it, and I could see there's a syllabus here. I must view it, meaning I must click it and read it, and then there's an acknowledgement. And this little symbol right here, this little puzzle piece tells me it's like a quiz type thing. So I better read this first and then go into this to acknowledge that I read the syllabus. So that's just a real basic idea. But then if I want to see my other classes, I simply hit courses and say I want to see what's going on in this math class. I would click it. And again, I'm on the materials here, so I could see what I must do. So there's some things I must complete here and here. That's one way. Sometimes you'll end up in this updates. The teacher might send different messages through here. It looks like there's no posts here. You can even see your grades and a little bit more. But we'll save that for your teacher showing that to you. You can even click this calendar. And different things that are assigned to you will all show up here so you can keep track of what you need to do. Very simple for you. So that's just a basic look at how you get into Schoology. The biggest thing is to know how to get into it and into your courses here. So that way, no matter where you're at, you could still see what your teachers are posting for you. Hope this helps.